Another basic rule for integration or anti-differentiation is the sum and difference rule. In this rule, the integration is expressed as the indefinite integral of function f of x plus or minus the function g of x dx, which is equal to the indefinite integral of f of x dx plus or minus the indefinite integral of g of x dx. We will answer the following examples to understand more about the sum and difference rule for integration. For our example A, we have the indefinite integral of 3x plus 5 dx. So applying the sum and difference rule, we need to have the integral operator on both of the functions. So therefore, we need to get their integral separately. So first, for our first function f of x, which is the 3x, we need to separate the constant using the constant multiple rule to the function. So we now have 3 times the integral of x dx plus, same with the second function g of x, we need to separate the 5 to our by the integral operator. And after that, we can perform the power rule by adding 1 to the exponent of our x, which is 1 plus 1, and make it a denominator of the function. So simplifying the integral of our function, we now have 3 times x raised to 2 over 2 plus 5x plus the arbitrary constant c. And then after that, we can now multiply our constant 3 to our function. So we will have 3x squared over 2 plus our second function 5x plus c. So therefore, the indefinite integral of our function 3x plus 5 dx is equal to 3x squared over 2 plus 5x plus c. So therefore, using the sum and difference rule by this operation, we had our indefinite integral. For our example B, let us say that we have to get the integral of our function 5x raised to 4 minus 4x squared plus 9 dx. So integral, we will apply the sum and difference rule, which is to separately get their integral. So the integral of 5x raised to 4 dx minus the integral of 4x squared dx plus the integral of 9 dx. After that, we can separate their constants from the functions. So we separate 5 from x raised to 4 dx, and then we separate negative 4 to our function 4x squared dx, and we will separate 9 from the dx. After that, we can apply the rule of powers, or the power rule, by adding 1 to our exponents and then making them as the denominator of each function. Then after that, performing their operations on the exponents, we will get x raised to 5 over 5, we will get x raised to 3 over 3, and then plus 9x plus c. After that, we can simplify this by multiplying the constants to our function. Multiplying 5 to x raised to 5 over 5 is equal to 5x raised to 5 over 5. But then we can cancel out both 5 from the numerator and denominator, so we will have x raised to 5 left. And then after that, we can simplify this by multiplying negative 4 to x cubed over 3. So we'll get negative 4x cubed over 3, and then plus the 9x and the arbitrary constant c. So therefore, the indefinite integral of our function 5x raised to 4 minus 4x squared plus 9 dx is just equal to x raised to 5 minus 4 over 3 or 4/3 x raised to 3 plus 9x plus c. We get this answer by using the